He's a very great artist. And I got to watch a class of him, actually.
And that's the other thing, right? I think most cities today they have some type of the conventions for comics. It's a good habit to attend those, even you might think it's not your age range or not your thing, but you meet amazing,
all ages go there.
All ages go there, yes. But you meet amazing artists all the time. They're there, they have their booths, or sometimes they have sessions, so it's a good practice to go.
It's fun going to comics. If I have more time, I'll probably
You
do
would
a
go
lot.
more, yeah.
There are the ones that are a little bit far away. You have to travel. I would love to go to a Dragon Con.
Oh yes, in
Oh,
Atlanta.
they have a Dragon Con?
They
do.
have Dragon
in
Con.
Atlanta.
They
I've been
do.
planning on going for 2 or 3 years now.
Yeah, people are, my followers are encouraging me to.
I heard it's a
to do-
very good one.
to do,
Very
yeah,
good show.
to do Dragon Cons. I need to have more guys though,
Yeah.
and I need to cast more
Well,
guys.
you know now the audience. After you own the course, you start making dragons. You know there is
Yeah.
a Dragon Con. Get started.
Yeah, for sure. I think
It's in Atlanta, you say?
I invite to guests to the public. Where is the part that I'm going to be putting these tiny spikes on it?
Oh,
Thinking on the fact.
let us know what you think.
Thinking on the fact they I already made big ones. So what is you guessing? I had to put this bake, so you had time to think about it.
You have time to
Oh,
think.
I
Okay,
already
so let
baked
us know.
big ones. What do you think I'm making the little ones for? Here you go. Let us know.
Okay.
I'm almost done. I think I'm pretty.
So you don't have a number, right? You just do some.
Random.
Random
Yes,
numbers.
random. Even if I wasn't home making my lady, random.
Okay.
That one is standing is funny.
With the head though, you were thinking like, wow, I'm going to use a